Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel again. Let's move to the next problem. 921. Minimum you had to make parenthesis valid. A parenthesis lead code 921. A parenthesis string is valid if and only if it is an empty string. Well, if and only if it is the empty string, or it can be written as A concat A B, whether A and B are valid strings, or where A and B are valid strings, okay? Or it can be written as A in the parenthesis where A is a valid string. You are given a parenthesis string. In one move, you can insert a parenthesis at any position of the string. For example, okay, or a closing parenthesis in one move. Return the minimum number of moves required to make S valid. 1 opening, 3 closing. Now let's first this can be easy. You need to count the minimum, all the opening and closing parentheses. So let's go for I in S. If I equals to opening and closing equals to 0, 0. If open equals to the close, wait a minute. Can be written as, let's think of a way to make this thing worse. That's right. It can be wrong too. So let's use the simulation instead. Let's keep a stack and a config. No need of config. stack. Well, that's great. So let's try submitting it. So what we are doing is we are appending the strings into the stack. If we find a opening and closing strings, we pop the opening string and skip the closing string, or else we keep on appending the stack into the stack, and if it finds a match of its own, then we'll pop it out in the loop, and whatever remains in the stack should need a pair. Each one need a pair, so we are returning the length of the stack. If nothing remains in the stack, then it will be of length 0. So I hope you guys understood the intuition. If you like the video, put it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also leave a comment so that we'll have a better reach and I can address your problems. And thank you for choosing the channel. We'll meet you again with another video. Until then, keep learning, keep pushing hard, and stay put. Not stay put, stay active. Okay, goodbye.